Hi guys. So today I'm going to tell you guys about a very easy DIY recipe that you can do at home. It's a DIY gel. Okay, so it's not one of your store-bought gels that would make your hair very greasy. It is made out of flax seeds. So what's the purpose of a gel is to lock in all the moisture that your hair just got from, all of your products, say from shampoo, conditioner, or even a deep conditioner. So we're going to quickly make this from just one ingredient. So let me show that to you guys.
Okay, so the ingredients that we'll be needing here is 1 glass of water, about 2.5 tablespoons of flaxseed gel, and it's extremely optional. But since I used hibiscus powder. I got this from Alps Goodness. You have to add water and then add the rest of the ingredients. I'll just show that to you guys. So in a bowl, we have added the water, and now I'm just going to add the flaxseed gel that I just showed you guys. With this, I'm going to add my hibiscus powder later, and yeah, just keep on stirring it till you get a good gel consistency. Once it is boiled and we could see a gel consistency coming up, we're going to add our hibiscus powder. I'm going to strain it a little so we don't get any lumps. Okay, our gel is ready to go. We are going to strain this out in another bowl. So this might be a little task, but yeah, you'll get through it. Our gel is ready, okay, and we're just going to apply it. So this you can apply directly after your hair is shampooed and conditioned, but since I have already done that, I'm just going to apply it on my dry hair. So you have to make sure that your hair is extremely wet when you are doing this, otherwise it'll become way too greasy and we don't want that. Cool. Okay. So take the gel. Okay. You would need this much. Need to multiply it now. You can use this for your refreshes as well if you have to go out somewhere and you're getting pretty late. So this is a great idea. You can store this in your fridge for about a week, maybe. Yeah, a week is fine. In this you can also add vitamin E, those capsules that you get, and aloe vera gel as well. Both of them will work. So this will give you great definition. That's it. You're done. Now I'm going to let this air dry. You can diffuse if you have one, and I'll show you guys the results. Okay, so this is my hair. Now it is 200% dried, although it doesn't look like it because the flaxseed gel has a tendency to make it look a little stringy. So what you do here is, once your hair is 200% dried, make sure it's not wet at all. Take any oil. Just don't take one of those commercial oils. Take a light oil. Alright? This is how much you need. Okay, very little amount. And just glaze it on your hair the same way that you put the gel. So the gel tends to form this thing called a cast, that as I said earlier locks the moisture, so that's why it's a little stiff to use. So the oil helps you break the cast. So just make sure you do this when your hair is 200% dried, or it won't stay. And yeah, that's it. Just let this seek in for like about a minute or two and you have fluffy hair again. Hope you guys like this. Bye.